Today on the Transplant Helper, it's time for our very first 2019 Vogmask Giveaway Drawing. Now, if you've not already entered to win, stick around toward the end. I'll tell you exactly how you can do that and be a part of the next drawing that we have. But if you have entered, stick around for sure because you just might hear your name being called as a Vogmask winner. Stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification to become part of the Transplant Helper community. Hey folks, welcome to Transplant Helper again today. My name is Jim Merle. Huge shout out to the Vogmask Company for making this drawing possible, for reaching out to the Transplant Helper community and making it to where we can be introduced to a great product. And let's return our thanks to them by going over to Vogmask.com, check out their entire product line, maybe buy something while you're there. You know, who couldn't use two Vogmasks anyway? You might be winning one, but you can also make a purchase there and that will support this great company for the great work that they're doing. Now, if you're not familiar with what the Vogmask is, I'll go ahead and put a link up here in the corners, maybe in the description below, of my initial review of the Vogmask I did sometime last year. Overall, I think it's a great product. You need to learn more about it though, but I think it's a great product. It might be one that's perfect for you. Now, with that said, also let me give a little bit of a shout out today to one of the sponsors of today's program, the Second Chance Transplants.com. They actually sent me out this t-shirt and several others that they're sharing with me and sharing with you as well. You can check out their website. You'll find a community there of people who are just like you and I on one side or the other of the transplant, whether it be the donor or recipient side of the community, as well as an entire product line of t-shirts, stuff like that that you can use to help both commemorate your anniversaries as well as to raise organ donation. You know, the huge part of what I do here is about advocating, educating, and motivating, and the advocating part is done by raising awareness for organ donors. So if you want to help to save lives, check out their website. It would be absolutely great, and tell them I sent you. Now, with that said, let's just jump right in, okay? Why fool around? I've got a huge stack of Vogmask behind me, well, a few behind me, a huge stack of Vogmask over here on the floor. I'm going to be giving away several of those today, and if you hadn't already entered to win, I promise you, I'll tell you what you need to do today to enter to win. As a matter of fact, if you'll do it this way today, I'll give you 2 chances in the hat for each time that you do it. How about that? That's a pretty good deal. Right. Anyway, I've got all the names right here today so far, at least. They're in this. I like to do this stuff by hand, but anyway, maybe that's not very smart of me. It takes a little work, but I've got all the names here. I've been shaking them up now for a couple of hours, and so let's go ahead and start digging in and see who our very first winner is today. We're going to try to give away about 5 Vogmasks today. There'll be more again in the future, but nonetheless, let's reach in the hat. Now, to do this right, I know I'm going to have to close my eyes, so we're going to close my eyes. I'll let you see what I'm doing here, hopefully. We're going to dig around, dig around, dig around, dig around. I've got the very first name. Let's see what we have. And by the way, whether you've entered to win or not, you're about to get a good laugh because I'm going to be trying to read some of these names, and they can be pretty difficult. So our very first Vogmask giveaway winner today actually goes out to Sydney Martin. That's Sydney Martin. You are the winner of the very first 2019 Vogmask, so congratulations to you. I'm going to be sending you out a mask that I will hand pick that hopefully will be the perfect one that you'll be excited about wearing. So Sydney Martin, you are absolutely the very first winner for today. Thank you so much for supporting the program, and thank you for supporting the Vogmask Company as well. So Sydney Martin, you're a winner. You are the very first winner. Okay, I'm sitting here editing this video, eating my lunch, which consists of Fritos and candy corn. Great diet, right? Sitting here editing the video, and I realized out of all the names I had to mess up one of the easiest ones, and that was actually Cindy Martin. Cindy. That's Cindy Martin. I'm sorry I called you Sydney. I used to live next door to a Sydney. Anyway, I'm all messed up. I apologize for that. Anyway, you're still a winner. Cindy Martin. Thanks. Today. Winner number 2. Let's go in here. Let's do what we did before. Let's dig around, dig around, dig around. Eyes closed. We're digging. Let's pull the very next name out here and see who we have. Oh, yes. I'm excited about this one because I happen to know you personally. Spent a lot of time with her during her transplant process. Andrea Paris. Andrea Paris, you are the second winner of a Vogmask today. Andrea is an inspiration, folks. I don't know if I told you anything about her story. I know I mentioned her several times. I don't remember what I said, but I've told you a little bit about her story probably along the way. Andrea was one of those people, like so many of us, just working along. Life is going perfectly, and just bam, something hit. She got a virus or something like that. Her heart failed. She ended up needing a transplant, and got her transplant at UAB Hospital about a year ago. And so congratulations, Andrea Paris. You are certainly an inspiration to all of us, and now you are a winner of a Vogmask. So I'll get that sent right out to you. Just reach out to me. Let me know that you saw this. Andrea Paris, thank you so much for your support. You're tremendous. Again, you're an encouragement to so many. So with that said, let's just keep moving here. We don't want to waste a lot of time. We're going to dig around, dig around, dig around. Eyes closed, dig around, dig around. See who we have. Winner number 3. Winner number 3 is Miranda Davenport. Miranda Davenport, you are a winner of the 3rd Vogmask of the day. So congratulations, Miranda Davenport. Now, Miranda is, I don't know what to say other than I've dedicated an entire shout out to this fact. Miranda is probably the most supportive member of the entire Transplant Helper community. That's not to take away from anybody else. There are many names that are scrolling through my mind right now who are regular viewers, regular supporters, always comment on videos, always sharing, you know, that kind of thing. But Miranda Davenport, you are the one who is every time, every day. Okay, so thank you so much, Miranda, and you're now a winner of a Vogmask. I'll get that sent out to you very, very soon. Okay, thank you so much, Miranda. Congratulations on you being a winner today. So number 4, we're at 4 of 5 now. Your chances are still good though, I promise. Dig around, dig around, dig around. So you can see what I'm doing. My eyes are closed. And the next winner, winner number 4. Winner number 4. I hope I can say this name right. You're around all the time. I see you in the comments a lot. Diane Carvillo. Diane Carvillo. Read that for me. How do you say that last name, Diane? Diane Carvillo, thank you so much. You are the 4th winner of a Vogmask today. Congratulations. I appreciate all your support. You are one of those type of people as well who encourages not just me, but others in the chats and stuff. Really just great, great, great. So congratulations, Diane Carvillo. You are a winner of a Vogmask, and like the other 3 already, I'll get that out to you as soon as possible. Now, I'm going to have one more here in just a moment. Number 5 will be in just a moment. Before we do that, if you're interested in winning a Vogmask on a future giveaway, and by looking at this pile of Vogmask over here, there'll be several more, but if you're interested in winning a Vogmask in the future, I want you to do 2 things for me today. Number 1, I want you to go through my videos, just scroll through my videos, find your favorite video, find the one that maybe taught you the most or impacted you the most or motivated you, whatever. Just find your favorite video. Take that link, you can grab that link, take it over to a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, whatever, share that out, okay? That's how you can enter to win today. Now, once you do that, when you share your video, your favorite video of mine on social media, I'll give you 1 chance to win. You'll be added to this particular pot for the next week. But in addition to that, if you want to double your chances, and by the way, this is probably a better way to double your chances, after you share that video out, whatever it is, come back to this video, okay? Let me say clearly, you have to come back to this video, comment beneath this video, and tell me that, yes, I shared a video. That's important. I shared a video, and tell me what size Vogmask you would like to win. You can throw in why you want to win it, whatever, but at least tell me I shared a video and I need a such and such, a small, medium, or large Vogmask. I'll put your name in the hat. By the end, it'll be twice to win in the future. In addition to that, if you're a person who you know your name is already in this little bucket, you want to add to your chances, do the exact same thing. Share a video, come back and tell me you shared that video, and I'll just keep adding your name here. Your chances will go up and up and up. So I know that's enough talking. You're ready for number 5, right? Is that what you're here for? The 5th one. Had 4 winners already. Great people. Let's add a 5th one to this. Hold it up where you hopefully can see it. I can't see what's going on. Dig around, dig around, dig around, dig around. And we've got the last name, at least for today. The last name here is Teresa Walker Johnson. You see your name right there on the screen? Teresa Walker Johnson. You are a winner today. thank you so much for entering to win. Thank you for being a viewer, a supporter of this channel, for everything that you do. And I'll be sending you a Vogmask out very, very soon as well. Teresa Walker Johnson, congratulations. You are the 5th and final winner for today. Okay, so anyway, that's where we are. You know what? I know I've said 5 a bunch of times. I feel good. Let's do number 6. Okay, you stuck around the end. You got a chance, right? Let's do number 6. Let's grab one more out of here. I promise we got to stop after this. But Vogmask giveaway number 6, bonus Vogmask giveaway today. Dig around, dig around, dig around. Let's get this one here, whatever it is. Oh yeah, absolutely excited about this one as well. Ramona Howard. Ramona Howard, congratulations. You are the bonus giveaway, mask giveaway number 6 today. Ramona Howard, you are a winner of a Vogmask as well. She's one of those people, Ramona, you're one of those people who supports me a lot over on social media. I think I see a lot in Facebook. You obviously watch a lot of these videos. Thank you so much. I hope you're doing well, by the way. Let me know in the comments how you're doing today, you know, how things are going. And Ramona Howard, you are our 6th winner, and I guess I'll call that the final winner. Actually, I didn't plan on doing that. I'm being honest with you. I was planning on doing 5. Hey, we did 6, and I'm excited about that. So 6 names over here. Still, I don't know how many names in here. Probably 50, something like that. 40, 50 names left. But again, you can add your name to this bucket for the very next drawing, the very next giveaway we do, which we'll go ahead and do on next Friday. Today's the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. Is it 22nd? Is that good counting? March the 22nd, we'll have our next giveaway. We'll give away about 5 more masks then as well. And you can enter, remember, by choosing your favorite video of mine, sharing it on social media, coming back to this video. Let me know you shared it. Let me know what size Vogmask you need. That will be great. Now, whether you're a new entry or a former entry that's in here, you can increase your chances by doing those 2 things. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, thank you to the Vogmask Company, to Second Chance Transplants.com. Thank you so much for your support of the program. Until next time, each and every one of you, please stay stronger, friends.